Hey, I'm back.
Y'all seen him feel it.
He's here. I don't know where he at, but he's here somewhere.
Yeah, I think he went back that way somewhere. I don't know for sure.
Look, so I present to you 1 minute haircut. Yeah, 1 minute haircut. Nobody knew that I was already here at the shop. Yeah. So as you can see, I was already here. I'm trying to figure out why my son didn't really tell me. He usually does. But anyway, that's besides the point. I'm just checking my social media. And to be exact, I'm checking my YouTube because I know I'm going to go viral. You know, my boy Rico, he getting aggravated. So he goes outside and that's where
Y'all
I'm
seen him
at.
feel it.
He's
That's
here.
Miss Carrie.
I don't know where he at, but he's here somewhere.
Yeah, I think he went
That's the Prince
back
of
that
Hair.
way somewhere. I don't know for sure.
It's game time, you know.
Alright.
I wash my hands and wash my face and just get ready.
My bad, I didn't even know.
Damn, boy, about damn time, boy.
He told me you was in there looking for me.
I didn't know where the hell you was at. I was in the damn bathroom. Hey, come on or something.
Yeah, my bad, bro.
Damn.
I don't know what April or something. That's my fault, man. I'm gonna try to give you a little discount. Why you ain't tell me Uncle Rico?
I didn't know. I mean,
He was looking for me.
That's my son.
What you trying to get today?
Oh, wow. You know how I get. You know how I get. Put me in that mode.
All right, so this is where we get busy. All right, so he just loved the even all over. But the way we do this even all over is very, very special. So, of course, you want to take your one guard, you want to close it all the way, right? And go with the grain, with the direction of the hair, okay? The natural direction of the hair. Now, if you have a client like my boy Rico, he has a lot of cowlicks. So the way we handle this is very simple. After we go with, we go against, all right? Now, make sure you use your neck dusters, all right? And make sure you take the hair off of them. All right, as you see, we're going against the grain. Yes, against the grain, right? All right, getting all of those uneven spots so they can blend in very, very nicely. Now, that's a 1.5 guard, a 3/8 guard. You can open it all the way or you can close it all the way. It just all depends on how thick the hair is. All we doing is blending. We blending. As you see, I just got the sideburn and a little bit of the beard. I attend to the beard when I'm cutting the hair as well. And after you put your sprids and all the other good stuff on it like that, we're ready for the edge up, okay? As you see, I'm brushing the hair down just to get it a smoother look, smoother feel, get all the excess hairs off to see how much more I need to cut, go against the grain, go on with the grain. We're just trying to get an even consistency right now, a very even consistency. As you see, we pull the next strip back out. Yes, put it around the head. Okay, we brush it down, getting them edges nice, all right? And after you put your sprids and all the other good stuff on it like that, we're ready for the edge up, okay? Yeah, we're ready for the edge up. Now, some clients have more meat on their head than others, okay? They're naturally meaty on their head. My boy Rico, he got a natural meatier head, okay? I'm not trying to diss him or nothing. He just got more meat on his head. So you have to work with that. You don't want to take it back as much because when it starts growing back, that new growth looks, it looks nasty. So we try to keep it as natural as possible, just a little bit of pushback, as you can see in the arc, but we're keeping everything natural. On those babblers, and they cut amazing. They already sat, and so you don't have to even set them at all. And we get the back, all of that. We're going to get that excess hair around the neck, right? Okay? And that's how we do. We're getting it nice and smooth. And like I say, this is the 1 minute cut. I didn't go fully into detail, but just a little bit just to give y'all a few pointers. And as you can see, the finished product, nice, crispy. You know, we edged the beard up real nice. Put a little bit of enhancements on the cheek just to give it a nice pop. You know, real crispy. That boy real crispy, as you can see. Thank you for watching 1 Minute Haircut. That's Miss Carrie right there. You got President Bear, of course. And you got Coach Rico right there. Thank you for watching 1 Minute Cut. And I'm telling you, every week we putting something new out. So make sure you subscribe. Make sure you give me feedback. Make sure you give me constructive criticism, because I want to be the best content creator when it comes to barbering and giving y'all new ideas and giving you a great experience whenever you come to my page. All right, it's Look Cut HD, aka Foreign Fargo Music, aka Philip Owens. I'm glad y'all watch. I'm happy y'all watch. Subscribe if you find this of value, if you find this entertaining, if you like this, make sure you subscribe, make sure you share this video, make sure you tell a friend, okay? This is something amazing, and I cannot wait for y'all to be a part of this journey. We're gonna take this journey together. I appreciate y'all. Once again, I'm out. Thanks for watching 1 Minute Haircut with Foreign Fargo Music, aka Lit Cut HD, aka Philip Owens Sr. Philip R. Owens Sr. And I'm out.